Come, sit with me for a moment. I can feel it in your eyes. You're tired. Maybe not just physically, but tired in your soul. Tired of the pressure. Tired of pretending. Tired of waiting for things to finally make sense. I've been there. I've walked through storms I didn't think I'd survive. Days when getting out of bed felt like lifting a mountain. Nights when silence was so loud, it hurt. And in the midst of all that, someone once told me something I've never forgotten. The only way out is through. At first, I didn't understand. I wanted out of the pain, out of the grief, out of the uncertainty. But here's the truth life taught me. There is no shortcut through struggle. There is no escape hatch for healing. You have to face it. Feel it. Walk through it. Not around it. Not over it. Through. Now listen closely, this is important. Struggle is not a punishment. It's a passage. It's life calling you deeper. Stripping away what's false, so what's real can finally rise. We grow the most when we're cracked open. When life peels back the layers we've used to hide. When we're forced to ask, who am I without the titles? What do I truly value when everything feels lost? You see, pain teaches. But only if we listen. Only if we stay with it long enough to hear what it's trying to say. I remember the season when I lost everything. Money. Relationships. Direction. I was angry. Confused. I felt abandoned. But when I stopped running from the pain, I began to understand it. It showed me how strong I really was. It reminded me of what matters. It brought me back to myself. So I'll ask you now. What are you running from? What are you trying to skip over? Whatever it is, I know it's hard. But I also know this. You are stronger than you think. Wiser than you realize. And more capable than you've ever believed. This season won't break you. It will build you. Every tear, every doubt, every sleepless night. It's shaping you. Refining you. Teaching you how to walk in truth instead of fear. So don't rush the process. Don't numb it. Don't hide from it. Breathe through it. Pray through it. Grow through it. Because on the other side of this valley, there's a version of you that's clearer, calmer, and more complete. And you'll look back, not with regret, but with gratitude. Because that valley didn't destroy you. It revealed you. You're not behind. You're not broken. You're becoming. So take one more step. Then another. And if all you can do today is breathe, let that be enough. Just don't give up. Because the only way out is through. And my friend, you will make it through. You're not stuck. You're being shaped. Keep going. Subscribe to the Mindful Path TV for more wisdom, stillness, and strength.